Loneliness. Loneliness has been a constant companion in my life, like a shadow. It has followed me for the past 10 years since I have been diagnosed with MS.
Jag har aldrig känt mig så ensam som precis när jag fick min diagnos. Då kände jag mig övergiven, livrädd och skräckslagen. Då ställs allt på ända, livet blir upp och ner.
أول فترة كانت كتير صعبة ما كنت أتقبل حياة لحدا كنت بعزلة تامة بغرفتي.
A veces me siento sola viviendo con la esclerosis múltiple por el rechazo ante la sociedad, de las empresas, de las universidades.
After I was told my MS had gone secondary, I found myself waxing lyrical about being positive and telling everybody how I wouldn't let MS define me. When in reality I was actually falling into an all-encompassing, soul-destroying, bitter depression. I was really good at hiding how I felt, and on my darkest days I was suicidal and thought about it often. Then out of the blue one day it just hit me. I'm still creative, I still like the same music, still laugh at the same jokes, I still love meeting up with friends, new and old. It's just how I approach things that has to change.
I am into music. I love to sing, and that is what helps me feel connected to the world. Music is something which has been constant and which gives me the pleasure to forget the pain of MS.
Gemenskap och samhörighet känner jag med min familj, mina vänner, mina hundar när jag går ut och hämtar kraft i skogen och naturen.
أكتر شيء كنت مفرح لألي إني أقدر أتواصل مع ناس بيفهموني.
La organización de esclerosis múltiple ha sido un apoyo increíble. Me ha ayudado a encontrar la paz.
I'm now a volunteer at my local MS group. By helping others, I'm actually also helping myself. And I feel like I'm really ready to start living again.